Welcome back to my channel Learn with Burhan. Now the question arises that whether ICSC has changed the specimen papers or not. Yes, it has changed the specimen paper, but not for all subjects, only for English 1, that is English language paper. I will show you here in this. And it has not informed also, just simply it has put the new sample paper in place of the old one, and the old one has vanished somewhere. So you see here, ICSE semester 1 examination English paper 1, new one is there. Father was standing in the small courtyard, this is there. In the previous one we had grandfather and tenderness, if you had seen my previous video. So now I just want to tell you that this is the new paper, and the real exam, that is in the board exam first term, the question paper will be set as per this paper only, this new sample paper. So you have to follow this one. Now let us go through it and see what is there. Okay, A1, 3 meanings are there, but in the previous paper there were 3 options for each bit, but here there are 4 options. So more confusion is there in this paper, and it is more tough, as you can see. And in the previous paper there was 6 questions of 2 marks each, but here it is changed. 1 question 1 mark. If you answer 1 question, then you will get 1 mark, as you can see here. So for the passage there are 20 MCQs, and each MCQ is of 1 mark. See, and there is no summary type question also. It was of 5 marks, and if you had chosen the wrong option, you would have loosened that 5 marks. So it is not there. Then question number 2, A1, it is choose the correct option, 4 blanks, 1 mark each. Then C bit, 4 blanks of 1 mark each. In the previous one it had 8 blanks in this bit only, but here it is of 4 mark. So 1 MCQ if you answer, you will get 1 mark. Then there is read each sentence, then finished. So this is the new sample paper, and you need to follow this only for the examination. And I will be solving this sample paper in 2 or 3 days. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload this video. And yeah, you have to practice very well. Now 4 options are given, and there is very much confusion. The answers are very near to each other. You have to identify the wrong option correctly, and only then you will get the 1 mark. Otherwise you will end up choosing the wrong answer and you will be losing your marks. So don't do this. Practice well, as this is the first paper will be of English 1 only on 15 November. So practice well. Don't worry, I will provide the link for this question paper in the comment section, and when I upload the new video, the solved sample paper video, I will provide the link for that also in the comment section of this video. So that's all for today.